Rochelle Villapena from Santa Barbara. Next we have Sydney Fry from El Diamante. Then we have Maricar Vejega from Pioneer Valley. And Andy Steppen from Crespi. We have Alicia Ginsberg from El Diamante. Cheyenne Hurst from Roland. Hannah Wan from North. Jacob Zaragoza from Pioneer Valley. All right, and we have Mandy Lucas from Burroughs. And our last one is Emily Angulo from Crespi. Congratulations, you guys. Great job.